Hi everyone, welcome to Grandison Espresso Lounge. This is your virtual coffee table, a place where we catch up with our PTs, OTs, nurses, and of course our partners. My name is Daryl, Marketing Associate at Grandison, and your host for this afternoon. So yeah, let's start by saying a quick hello to our live viewers here at Zoom and Facebook Live. Please don't forget to like and share this live session with your family, friends, and batchmates who aspire to work and live in the United States. So before we introduce our topic and speaker today, no, this afternoon, let's have a quick recap of the previous Presso launch. Last week's launch, no, getting to know about direct hire versus staffing agency. And if you're curious and want to watch those testimonials, you can see it on this Facebook page now, which is Grandison Therapy. And today, in response to the popular demand of the PT community on what's next after their local boards dreaming to work and live in the United States. Whether you as licensed physical therapy or physical therapy assistant. So join us as we interview the fresh passer of December PTLE local board exam and to know the Grandison Therapy offer. And to welcome our special guest, let's all welcome from our specialist from Southwestern University, PINMA, PT Dave Kenneth. So, hello Sir Dave. Have a short self-introduction po para makilala tayo ng ating mga live viewers here in Facebook Live.
Hello, everyone. So, hello, Sir Daryl. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. I'm Dave Kenneth Canedo, and I just recently passed the local board exam this December 2024. And nice seeing you guys.
All right. Thank you, sir. So, start na tayo sa ating questions na, sir. Sa ating interview. So, first question muna, sir, no? How was the feeling na malaman mong pumasa ka ng local board exam?
At first, sir, it's really fulfilling. Like, nakagaan talaga siya ng pakiramdam because all those struggles, all those, yung pinaghihirapan mo talaga. And
Mm-mm.
upon seeing your name in the results, right after those hardships, those just late nights that you're studying your notes, as in, napakadami talagang
Mm-mm.
dapat tandaan. And
Oo.
yes, I feel that all those burdens in my back are
Mm-mm.
uh, lifted. Yes, sir.
Ay, yung mga pinaghirapan mo nung ilang months na pag-review, sir, naging worth it naman, no? So, ano
Oo.
yung naging initial feeling mo nun, so, or reaction mo, sir? Tumalon ka ba? Umiyak ka ba? Tinawagan mo ba yung magulang mo?
Ano, sir, yung una talaga, sir, is that hindi ko, I didn't really expect, like, I have this sense of fear na hindi ko
Mm-mm.
makita yung name ko, especially na
Mm-mm.
it's really hard yung board exam lang last December
Mm-mm.
2024. And yung una ko talaga, hala, like, hindi pa siya nagsisink. Like,
Mm-mm.
it's really me, yung nakapasa talaga ako. Then, yun, like, I think few days after, mga 3 days siguro, doon na siya nagsisink in na
Oo.
really passed the boards.
Doon
Ganun.
mo lang nalaman na PT ka na that day, no? Okay. By the way, congratulations, sir, no? So, parang kinalibutan ako nung kwento mo, sir, no? Ilang days mo siya na nag-sink in sa'yo na PT ka na pala.
Oo.
So yeah, why America, sir? No, knowing there are many therapy opportunities in other countries, like for example Australia, Middle East. What specifically drew you to pursue a career as a physical therapist in the United States, and what is a specific aspect of the healthcare system, or career progression, or personal aspirations?
Uh, I think, sir, what really set the United States apart
Mm-mm.
from the other countries, for me, is that the US or the United States offers unparalleled opportunities for us PPs, no? And by the what's this? They offer wide range of advanced
Mm-mm.
certifications. Yung professional growth mo as a
Mm-mm.
physical therapist is not only limit to what you can do here in the Philippines, but you can also
Mm-mm.
expect that you can compete with like globally, no? And
Mm-mm.
I know that I could. constantly evolve if I choose US. Like I could
Mm.
refine my skills. Like hindi naman kasi talaga lahat naaaral sa school.
Oo,
And
tama.
because of these opportunities that it's really wide na kapag papasok ka sa US, and by that
Mm.
yung mga skills na hindi mo na-refine during college years or internship, you'll be able to enhance more if you will be, there is opportunity that you'll be enrolled that specific class in the United States.
Mm.
And ano sir, yung ano din na kinoconsider ko is yung cultural diversity. It is really
Mm.
important for us as physical therapists because um, it's not only limited yung kakayanan namin na to understand our co-Filipinos, but also the different nationality
Mm.
that are living in the United States, and because of
Mm.
that, we can able to communicate properly with them. Yun po.
So hindi naman natin sugarcoat sir, no. Iba talaga yung dito, community ng PT sa Pilipinas compare sa United States. So very advanced talaga pag sa United States. So next question sir, no. What factors made you made Grandison therapy stand out amidst other options for your US journey? Kasi for sure sir, no, hindi ka lang naman nagse-search, for sure nagse-search ka na kung kung saan staffing agency, no? Why Grandison nga ba?
Uh, Yes, sir. You're correct with that. I think
Mm.
kasi na what made Grandison therapy stand out with comparing to other options for me going abroad or in US is at first the comprehensive support system in the Grandison. Like
Mm.
based lang sa na-experience ko right now, like the people here are they are very approachable. Like
Mm.
you can just ask questions, and also they guide you. What are the next steps?
Mm.
No, upon like for example you're done doing this, yung
Mm.
meron talagang timeline na pina-follow and you will not lose track, ganun po.
Oo. Para very hands-on ata yung naghawak sa recruiter, no? I think that's it. Ma'am Flor ba? Si Miss Flor ba yung naging recruiter mo, sir, no? Oo.
So,
Very approachable naman ang ating Cebu team. So, doon nga, sir, no? Like nasabi mo, um, passing the PTLE local board exam is a remarkable feature, sir, no? So, how did your passing the local board exam influence your decision to pursue a career in the United States?
I think one of the reasons that really influenced my decision in what's this pursuing the career in the US is that
Mm-mm.
yung pagpass yung ang tawag doon sir yung as I pass the local board exam,
Mm-mm.
it gives me a foundation yung kaya kong it develops my competence,
Mm-mm.
and also it validated my knowledge skills because I already passed the local boards, and why not pursue more or level
Ah,
up your career po ganun.
hindi lang pang Pilipinas to, pang ibang bansa din pala si Sir Dave, no. So yan, no, nakakatuwa lang sa iyo sir, no. Hindi ka papasado ng local board pero nakapag-sign up ka na kay Grandison. No, tama ba, sir?
Yes sir.
Oo. Ay parang nag-step forward kaagad, no? Tawag ito, habang maaga pa, habang nandiyan pa si Grandison. I mean, hindi mo mawawala si Grandison, no? Tawag ito, habang hindi ka pa pumapasa sa PTLE or local board exam, is nag-sign up ka na kagad kay Grandison. So, ano yung sa tingin mo, sir, na advantage ng pagsa-sign up kagad kay Grandison?
I think sir yung advantage talaga is that you reserve your seat po,
Mm-mm.
yung ganun yung like if you yung katagalan mo pa kasi is that you'll be yung mataas pa yung process yung ganun yung
Mm-mm.
maghihintay ka pa ng ganun, so
Mm-mm.
why not just sign up directly, and
Mm-mm.
but before signing up really I really research and also ask questions yung ganun,
Mm-mm.
and also by that it opens a door or a gateway for me to sign up for Grandison because of those testimonies that
Mm-mm.
they shared. Yung
Mm-mm.
mga, meron din kasi akong kakilala na they're also from Grandison and now working in the
United
here.
States.
Yes po.
Mm-mm. Sino ba yan? Shout out na natin yan, sir, Dave.
Pwede po.
Pwede yan, sir. Shout out mo na kung sino yung naka-influence sa'yo.
Okay, yeah. Yung una po kasi is that clinical instructor ko siya noon nung second year, si Miss Bea. Hi, Miss
Mm.
Bea.
Shout out naman natin dyan si Miss Bea, no? Ngayon, no, nag-influensya kayo kay Sir Dave. Bakit siya nag-sign up kay Grandison? Yan. Sino pa ba? Mayroon pa ba, sir?
Kalimutan ko na po yung iba pero si Miss Bea
Si
talaga
Miss
yung
Bea yung
nakikita ko.
tumatak sa'yo.
Oo.
So yun, sir, no? Do you have any specific areas of physical therapy you're interested in specializing in within the United States healthcare system? No, what factors are influencing your potential choices?
Yes, sir. I really have a specific areas of interest in physical
Mm-mm.
therapy because, of course, we know naman physical therapy is I really had a wide range of specialization. Like we have
Mm-mm.
the orthopedic physical
Mm-mm.
therapy, cardiopulmo, we have the
Mm-mm.
neurologic, and these things we encounter them in undergrad, and by that
Mm-mm.
I really think that either of these specializations, I will be okay. And
Mm-mm.
it may also be, ano sir, yung pwede siya sa acute care, yung mga
Mm-mm.
outpatient lang, yung mga
Mm-mm.
ganun po.
Ayan. So, ayun pala yung naging inspiration mo, sir, no? So, what advantages do you see in practicing physical therapy in the United States compared to other countries?
Yung masasabi ko sir, yung state of the art na ino-offer ni sa United States talaga
Mm-mm.
sir is that they are more on research, di ba sir? As physical therapist kasi yung we must be evidence-based yung pina-practice namin, hindi lang yung we think na pwede ito yung hindi siya validated because
Mm-mm.
it's really the interest of the patient that we need to see, and by that through those evidence practice we make patients life better yung ganun sir.
Mm-mm. So yeah, can you share your long-term aspiration in the United States, sir? It can be about the career, house, travel, or car. O ano yung hashtag long-term goal nyo sa long-term goal mo 10 years from now? If sana ma-achieve mo, sir, no, pagdating mo sa United States.
Aside from having a stable job, sir, yung competent na salary is that I really aspire to have a clinic here in the Philippines, if
Mm-mm.
ever. Yes,
Mm-mm.
and also magkapundar ng sariling bahay, yung ganun.
Mm-mm. Very entrepreneur pala yung idea mo, sir, no? Ipon lang tayo sa United States, no? Tapos gawa tayo
Oo.
ng healthcare dito. Ng health center dito sa Pilipinas pagbalik. So, any other ba, sir?
I think yun muna yung nasa
Oo.
think ko, sir, for now.
Ah, step by step muna, sir, no? So, yeah.
Dahan-dahan lang.
Uh, as a Filipino therapist, sir, how do you see yourself contributing to both the professional community and the Filipino diaspora and the healthcare landscape?
Uh, for me, sir, as a Filipino physical therapist talaga, important talaga na I can really see myself na anong tawag doon, yung pino-contribute ko yung mga nakukuha ko sa labas, like sa ibang
Mm-mm.
bansa, yung training, like
Mm-mm.
also bringing this unique cultural perspective na as a Filipino, bringing them into the US, like we have the um, sense of hospitality, yung ganun. And also understanding the needs and cultural differences of um, yung tao doon na we will cater in US,
Mm-mm.
no? Diba? And siguro sir, pinaka-importante talaga is yung I will be able to serve as a role model yung sa
Mm-mm.
mga juniors ko that
Mm-mm.
they will be inspired na you will have someone or someone to look up na, okay, uh, he is a, like, senior ko siya, ganun, then was able to achieve this, so I
Mm-mm.
could also do this the same or even higher.
Mm.
Yung ganun, sir.
Gagawa pala ng pangalan si Sir Dave sa no PT
Sana
community.
nga.
So yeah, sir, no, meron tawag dito. Ay, yung maganda, sir, no, i-share natin yung nakukuha natin na talent sa United States dito sa ating mga magiging junior mo, sir, no. Very good po yan, sir, no. So as for a aspiring Filipinos physical therapist na confused pa, sir, no, and still wondering where to go and who might be considering a US career path, what advice or insights could you give them, or should they follow their heart?
Masasabi ko lang talaga sa kanila, sir, is that I think first is follow your heart, but also plan wisely. Yung
Mm-mm.
ganun. Um, yung passion kasi natin, it will serve as a fuel na para
Mm-mm.
mag-pursue sa career because we will be later, sooner or later, we'll be facing a lot of challenges in the profession. We'll be
Mm-mm.
handling difficult peoples or even patients or even colleagues. Hopefully not.
Mm-mm.
Pero it may, di ba? So
Mm-mm.
by that, kailangan talagang pagplanuhin natin, and also we need to research and also prepare. Kasi
Mm-mm.
kapag lalabas ka ng bansa, it's you need really a lot of money, like
Mm-mm.
for preparation, also preparation for your mental health, that you'll be
Mm-mm.
able to tawag doon, makakayanan mo yung ikaw lang
Mm-mm.
sa labas, wala yung family mo, ganun. So
So yun. I think ayun din ata yung naging ano no, one of the uh, naging decision mo na nakita mo kay Grandison na may tawag dito, scholar na binibigay si Grandison. Tama ba,
yes,
sir?
yes sir.
Yeah. So yeah, looking ahead, sir, what kind of impact do you hope to make as a physical therapist in the United States healthcare system, or what legacy do you aim to leave behind?
I think, sir, as a Filipino physical therapist, I aspire or I hope to make a significant impact or positive impact, not only to the United States, but also into my homeland. Because I aspire to become a mentor and also an educator to Filipino and even non-Filipino colleagues. And
Mm-mm.
also, uh, I aim to aspire to our next generations
Mm-mm.
of by sharing knowledge. And we know naman kasi na medicine is evolving. So by that, I'll be able to share with my juniors that uh, these are the recent na development of our profession, yung na ma-apply natin sa ating mga patients.
Mm-mm.
Yung mga ganun, sir.
Mm, so, getting ready na pala si Sir no, for NPT exam, no? Yan. Ano kayo yung mga pwedeng ibigay o ibahagi na kaalaman ni Sir Dave sa mga susunod na generation sa PT? Ayun yung mga gustong gawin ni Sir Dave eh. Ayun yung ina-eye niya talaga. So yeah, sir, no? Ito, last questions na to, sir. So, what do you think um, now is the best time to sign in with Grandison?
Come again, sir?
Sa tingin mo, sir, bakit sa tingin mo ngayon yung tamang oras para mag-sign kay Grandison? Ikaw kasi, sir, di ba, nangyari sa iyo, sir, hindi ka pa local board passer, pero nag-sign up ka na kay Grandison.
Yes, sir. For me, sir, it's really as early as possible if kaya naman, like you are prepared for it, yung ganun. Or
Mm-mm.
even if you're not prepared for it, as long as you've done your research, you've done
Mm-mm.
the things that I told earlier, yung
Mm-mm.
ganun, sir, na need natin, it really needs na align yung interest mo sa agency na pinapasukan mo. And
Mm-mm.
if those things align, I think it's better to really, what's this, yung choose Grandison as early as
Mm-mm.
possible. Uh,
Mm. So, ayun talaga ano, nakita mo, sir, no? Choose Grandison talaga.
Oo.
Kasi, sir, no, habang maaga pa, no? Kasi kakapasa mo lang ng PTLE. Siyempre, next step na yun, pag ready na for NPTE. So, there's any help ba na pwedeng maitulong sa'yo si Grandison, sir?
I think, sir, for me, yung may help pa talaga sa akin ni Grandison during the preparation of NPT is that I think about mentoring, sir.
Mm-mm.
Yeah,
Ah,
yung collaborativeness of collaboration pala yung with the seniors na nag-take ng NPTE, ganon,
mm-mm.
or those lectures that we have. I think it can really make a huge difference in
Mm-mm.
preparation for our NPTE. Ganon.
Soon, sir, mamimit mo na sila lahat, sir.
Hopefully, sir.
So yeah, ayun na yung last questions ko na, sir. Thank you for answering the questions na ibinato ko sa'yo. Thank you so much, Sir Dave, for the tawag dito, inspirational story about your journey, why you choose to be a physical therapist na, and why you choose Grandison. So kaya naman sa ating mga aspiring PTs na would like to work and live in the United States, no, sign up today, no? Katulad ni Sir Dave, no? Hindi pa siya pumapasa sa local boards pero nag-sign up na siya, and you will get 10,000 pesos sign-on bonus, but of course, terms and conditions apply. Again, congratulations sa ating mga newly PTs and OT passers. So, congratulations sa inyo lahat. So there you go. That's All right, this time to all our viewers natin from Zoom and Facebook. If you inspire to work and live in the United States, katulad ni Sir Dave, this is the right time para tuparin ang hashtag American Dream mo. And that's all our discussion na for this afternoon. Thank you, Sir Dave, no, for sharing your
Sure.
inspirational words. And of course, sa ating mga live viewers for joining us today. It has been a truly insightful and encouraging conversation. So, to our viewers for updates and upcoming live events, school tours, and our Grand US Career Orientation, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts on Facebook and Instagram. We're Grandison Therapy. And on YouTube, it's Grandison TV. Once again, my name is Daryl, Marketing Associate, Grandison Espresso Lounge host. So, nagsasabi na, if you want to fulfill your dream of working and living in the United States, Grandison is here to support you. Happy holiday and bye everyone. See you our next Grandison Special Lunch. Bye-bye.